CustomCraft countertops are made with 93% natural quartz, which makes their surface naturally scratch and chip resistant. Unfortunately, accidents happen, so in this video, we are going to show you how to repair a chip in your CustomCraft countertop. Chip repair kits for CustomCraft countertops are available for purchase at any local Menards store. This product is special order and will ship to your home in approximately 1 to 2 weeks. Included in your chip repair kit is a bottle of activator, a spray bottle cap, a bottle of glue, and 3 razor blades. Before you begin, clean your countertop and allow it to dry before proceeding. We recommend cleaning with acetone for best results. Once your countertop is dry, attach the spray bottle cap to the activator and spray 1 to 2 pumps to the area where the chip is located. Next, fill in the chip with the glue so it is level with the countertop. Be careful not to overfill, creating a mound. If you have an especially deep chip, something larger than 1/8 inch, you can fill it a little at a time, always spraying the activator first and then adding another layer of glue to fill in the chip. Using the corner of the razor blade, pop any air bubbles you may see. Then wait 1 to 2 minutes for the glue to harden. Once the glue is hardened, you will then take one of the razor blades and hold it at a 90-degree angle to the surface of the countertop and scrape back and forth, removing the excess glue. Continue to scrape the glue with the razor until the area feels smooth. Lastly, wipe down the countertop to remove any excess shavings, and just like that, your countertop will look like new.